Right. Yeah. That yes. Yesterday, what is the thing we have discussed? We have discussed about introduction of JavaScript. Introduction of JavaScript, and we have run a sample.js file in the browser. Okay. Right. Now today we are going to discuss about little bit HTML, and then we'll continue our JavaScript classes. Okay. Right. Now we observe here what is the root folder related to our class. What is the root folder related to our class? What is the root folder?
Uh, JavaScript 11 24 like February.
Feb 2022. Okay, right, that is our
Yes, sir.
root folder. Right, now come here. HTML class January. Okay, right. Now come to this online classes folder. Let the Ramesh JS Feb JS Feb class 11 2022. Okay, everybody, Feb class 2022. Let's come here. Right, what is the file we have? Sample.js. Okay, right, now open this in the Notepad++. Execute through our browser. See here how it is printing, how it is coming. Is any pop-up box are coming, or else only the text is printing? It is printing like a text.
Only text.
Yes, sir. Only text.
Only text. So what is the thing we need to analyze? .js files also, .css files also, we cannot execute directly in the browser. We cannot execute directly in the browser. Okay, everybody. Through HTML only we need to execute. Okay, through HTML files only we need to execute. So remember this point. .js files also, .css files also, directly we cannot execute in the browser. If we execute also, it will treat it as a normal text. Okay, right. Now how we need to execute this JS and CSS files? Through HTML files. Then how to write the HTML code? What is the basic tags? Okay, what are the basic tags we need to write in the HTML page? So that purpose, open the IDE. Yes, take a new page and write here the code. First line should be, the very first line should be version of the HTML. So if you want to write the version, you need to write like this: dark type HTML. By writing this, automatically browser can understand he is going to use HTML5 version. Automatically browser will understand he is going to use HTML5 version. Okay, right. Then after, we need to use here HTML tag. So this is the root element for our entire web page. What is the root element? This HTML is the root element for entire web page. Okay, right. Now this HTML is the root element, and it has two child elements. What are those? Head tag and body tag. What are those? Head tag and body tag. Okay, right. So what is the necessity of the head tag? What is the necessity of the body tag? That means what is the working culture? So the head tag purpose is, what is the purpose of head tag is? Okay, the purpose of the head tag is we need to provide the information related to our web page through head tag only. We need to provide the information related to our web page in the head tag. Okay, suppose you are doing a Photoshop tutorial website. So that what happens, some people, they don't know what is our application name, what is our website address is. They don't know what is our website is. So what they will do, they will go to the Google and they will search in the Google as Photoshop tutorials, something like that. Okay, in that case, your tutorial should come in the first. So that purpose, what I think we need to do, we need to do SEO. Of course, SEO is not our topic, but just a little bit knowledge I'm giving. SEO. So what the SEO persons will do, they will give some keywords and they will give some description. So that keywords also, the description also, you need to put in the meta tags. That meta tags we need to write in the head tag. That meta tags we need to write in the head tag. Okay, of course, no need to worry about that keywords and description. Those SEO persons will provide that keywords and SEO, keywords and the description. Just we need to place in the meta tags. That's it. That meta tags we should write in the header tag only. Understand it, everybody?
Okay, sir.
Please respond. Others.
Yes,
Not
sir.
only Srija, others also. Okay. Right. So we need to provide related to our web page. Okay, information. We need to provide the information related to our web page in the header tag. That is also in the meta tags. Clear? Everyone, a response. I want everyone's response.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Yeah. Right. Perfect. So then after, what is the other thing we can do? We can call external CSS files and external JavaScript files in the header tag. We can call external CSS files and external JavaScript files in the header tag. Okay, right. Or else we can write internal CSS and internal JavaScript also. Okay, everybody, we can write internal CSS and internal JavaScript also. Clear, everybody? So we can call
Okay, sir.
external CSS and external JavaScript, and we can write internal CSS and internal JavaScript also. So whatever it may be, we need to write in the header tag only. Of course, in JavaScript we can write in the body tag also nowadays, but better to write in the header tag. Okay, right. So this is the thing we can do in the header tag. And what else we can do in the body tag? So whatever the however you want to design your web page, so the designing code we need to write in the body tag. Suppose if you want to design a web page, we need to write some HTML code. That HTML code we should write in the body tag only. So the code related to designing we should write in the HTML code related to designing we should write in the body tag. The CSS we can write in the external CSS and we can call into head tag, or else we can write in the internal CSS and we can write in the head tag also. Okay, clear it, everybody?
Okay, sir.
Purpose of head tag and body tag is that's what, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So now, yeah, what else we can do in the head tag except providing the information? Of course, only okay, we can provide the title also. So title also one type of information only. So here I'm writing the title. JS class, right. Transcript, remove the basic JS. Yeah, save it. Now save it. Where we need to save? Whatever the file it may be related to our application, whatever the file it may be related to our application, we should save in our root directory. So right there, basic underscore, or else right there, sample, basic underscore JS underscore example dot HTML. See it? We have given as HTML extension, right, everyone? Right. Now I am executing the browser, this HTML page. Yeah, if you observe here this title and this title, you're observing, right?
Yes,
What
sir.
else? What we are getting in the title? We are generally getting the address, but what we are getting in this title bar, whatever you provide in this title. So that what happens if you use title tag, this is used to recognize our web page among all other web pages also. By seeing this, okay, this is go to training. By seeing this, okay, this is the Ramesh or JS class. Like that information you will get. Clear, everybody? Please respond. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now if you observe here, do we are getting any alert box? Do we are getting any pop-up box in this HTML page?
No, sir.
No,
Respond,
sir.
please. Okay, we are not getting. Why we are not getting? Both files in the same directory, same root directory, but still we are not able to get. Why?
Code is not there in the present file. Directory is
Sorry?
different, no, sir. Like the code is
No,
not present in the.
see here, same root directory. So they are not calling each other. Okay, that means
Yes, sir.
if you save my phone number, can we talk? No, either I should call you or else you should call me. Then only we can talk. Like that, here also HTML page, here also JavaScript page, but they are not calling each other. So now tell me which file we need to call into which file. That means, do we need to call HTML file into JavaScript, or else we need to call JavaScript file into HTML? What do you think we need to do?
JavaScript file
Ja-
into HTML.
JavaScript
JavaScript file
is
in HTML.
Right, JavaScript file into HTML. Why?
Why? Because like
Because
we are
Respond one person.
you should be continue. You should be continue.
Respond. Hello, one person respond. Why we need to call JavaScript file into HTML? Why
like the
everybody is
browser
silent?
first, like
Yeah,
the browser
browser.
first will respond the HTML file, then only it will take the JavaScript files.
Right, perfect. So we can execute only HTML files in the browser. So whatever you want to write, you need to execute through HTML only. So that's why, okay, that's why we should write, we should call a JavaScript file into HTML. So what type of JavaScript it is? HTML JavaScript we have three types: external JavaScript, internal JavaScript, and inline JavaScript. So what type of JavaScript it is? External JavaScript or else
External
internal
JavaScript.
JavaScript? External
External
JavaScript.
JavaScript.
Why? Yeah, whatever
Why?
you are
Because
writing.
we are writing
Okay. Yeah.
out of the box.
Right, whatever you are writing in the same page, that is called as internal. Okay, whatever you are writing outside this page, that comes under external only. Since we are writing JavaScript as an external file, that can be called as external JavaScript. So how to call external JavaScript file into the HTML page? By using script tag. So now right there, script, open the script tag and right there script tag. And how to write that? How to call external JavaScript file? By using src. What is this? src. src means address of the file. So now how to write the address? As per your knowledge, respond. How to write the address?
the location path.
Like location path of the
As it is in
folder
home
and the
directory,
file.
no need to give, just give the name file.
Right. So most of the time, whenever I ask the question for freshers also, or as any other person also, they will get confused. So they thought from here onwards, what they will do, they will right click here and copy address, and they will paste here. That is very wrong perspective. That is not the correct thing. That's not the correct thing. That won't work in the real time also. So what is the thing you need to do is excluding your root directory. What is the path? That means in your root directory where it is, that particular path only we need to write. Excluding in your root directory where it is, that particular path. We should exclude this path also, because already up to here it is available in the browser. Already up to here it is available in a browser. So after this routing path, after this root path, where it is? In our root directory where it is, sample.js, where it is? Respond everyone. Where is sample.js?
In root directory.
Directly in the root directory. Okay, directly in
Yes.
the root directory. Okay, right. So what is the thing we need to do? If you are writing from the same folder, that means then we need to write only the file name. So what is this? Sample dot, what is the extension? .js.
Yes.
Refresh. See there, we are getting or not? Hi everyone, good morning.
Yes, sir.
Others respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's it. So how it is coming? Like a alert box. Alert box means what? Pop-up box. So it will display a message and it will display OK button. Clear everybody? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Okay, right. Now here what I think I'm doing is, here I'm writing h1 tag. So h1 is used to display our content like a heading. What I'm writing, my name is Ramesh. Refresh here. Are you able to see my name is Ramesh in the browser? Are you able to see my name is Ramesh in the browser?
No, sir.
No, sir. No.
Okay, we are not able to see my name is Ramesh in the browser. Okay, Right. Why?
Sir, why?
So
Because
why?
sir, like we are executing the script file. The data is not present in the script. That's why it is not displaying.
Okay. Right. So whenever the page is reading, it will read from top to bottom. It will read from top to bottom. So since it is reading top to bottom, what happens? First of all, it is reading the version, then after HTML tag, then after head, then after title, then after script. So first script is loading. So the script what you have written in the alert box. What is the functionality of alert box? Whenever the user clicks on OK, then only it will go. Okay, right. So that is the working culture of alert box. So since they are writing here JavaScript file in the header tag, first of all it is loading. Since it is loading, first alert box is alert method is calling and automatically displaying the power box. Whenever you click on OK, then only it will go. So then it is come to the body and then H1 is coming. For example, if you call the script tag in the body, then what happens? Observe here and refresh. See there now, my name is Ramesh. You are seeing in the browser or not? Respond everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And you are able to see this alert box or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means what is the thing we need to understand? Since you are writing the script tag in the body tag, first of all HTML element is loading, then only script tag is loading. So that's why you are
Okay.
able to see the you are able to see the H1. Okay, and you are able to see this script tag output also. Clear it everybody? So everybody will get one doubt also. Sir, what is the difference between calling in the header tag, calling in the body tag, the script tag is? So this is the only difference. If you call in the header tag, first JavaScript will be loaded and then HTML will be loaded. But if you call it in the body tag, first HTML elements will be loaded, then JavaScript will be loaded. That is the difference only. Clear everybody? Respond please.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, right. So now one more time, what is the thing I'm doing is I am cutting this here and I'm pasting in the head tag. Now save it. Come here and do refresh. See there, you are not able to see this. Okay, right. It is coming. So now what the thing I want to do is wherever I place the head tag, wherever I place the script tag, whether if I place in the head also, if I place in the body tag also, I don't mind. But after loading of all the HTML elements, all the HTML, if I have only element, after loading of one element, if I have 100 elements, after loading of all the elements, then only I want to execute the JavaScript code. Then only I want to call the JavaScript. Clear everybody? Hello? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
that purpose, what I think I need to do. So that purpose, what the thing you need to do is better to write here internal JavaScript. That will be good. Okay. So now what is the thing I'm doing is wait 1 second. I will rename it. JS underscore external JavaScript JS underscore example. Right. Right. Basic underscore JS underscore example dot HTML. Right. Now I am writing the internal JavaScript. So in order to write the internal JavaScript also we should use script tag only. No need to worry about the SRC because we are not calling external. Okay, right. Now here what I think I am doing? I am writing here alert. Good evening. Say here everybody what we are getting.
Yes, sir. We are
Hi,
getting the
yes,
alert.
good evening. Yes, sir.
What we are getting? We are getting an alert box only. Clear it everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Right. 1 second. Right. But are you getting any H1 tag?
No,
That means
sir.
are you getting
No, sir.
anything? No. Why? Because this is executing first. That is also same thing. Okay. So what is the
Yes, sir.
scope? What is this alert? Where it is? In the global scope. So okay. So that means if you write there, if you write anything directly in the script tag, if you write directly anything in the script tag, if you write anything directly in the script tag, that comes under global scope. That comes under global scope. That is in the global scope. Okay. Right now, if you write in the global scope, what happens? Automatically it will execute. I don't want to execute like this. Suppose if I cut this and paste in the body tag, see now, click on OK and control F5 refresh. See here, my name is Ramesh and hi everyone, good evening. Coming or not? Respond everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now what is happening? First of all, HTML is loading, then only script tag is loading. So now what is the thing I want to do? Irrespective of the place, this alert box should come after loading. Okay, of all the HTML elements. After loading of all the HTML elements. Okay, right. So that purpose what the thing doing is irrespective of the place. Now cut it here and paste in the body tag. Sorry, head tag. Right, like this. Now if you write in the global scope, what happens? Automatically it will call. See here, automatically it is calling. Right. So that purpose what is thing I'm doing is I need to write in the function scope. So displaying anything in a particular time, that is a functionality or not? Respond everybody. Displaying
Yes,
anything
sir.
at a particular time, that is a functionality or not? Respond please, everybody. Okay, that
Yes,
is a
sir.
functionality. So to perform that functionality, what is the thing we need to do? We need to write function. Okay, to perform the functionality, we need to write function. So then how to write the functions? Very simple, by using function keyword. Write there function. And what is the function name? Suppose display message.
Play.
Display message. Okay, everybody, display message. Now come here and refresh. Now observe here, everybody, do you are getting anything?
No, sir. Only HTML tag.
Yeah, do we are getting anything? No.
No, sir.
Oh, why? We are getting only heading. We are not getting alert. Why? Because what is the thing we have discussed? Sorry. So why? Yeah, please put everybody mute. Please put everybody mute. Right. Why? Because if you write anything directly in the function scope, that won't execute automatically. In the global scope, that will execute automatically. But if you write anything in the function scope, see the space between this open curly brace and closing curly brace, that is comes under a function scope. Okay, right. So if you write anything directly in the function scope, that instructions won't execute automatically. Whenever you call this function, then only it will execute. Now when we need to call the function, what is our requirement here? When we need to call our function, when all the HTML elements in the body tag are loaded. Okay, when all the HTML elements in the body tag are loaded, then what is the event we need to choose? Onload event. What is that? Onload. Right here. And what is the method name? Display message. What is this? Display message. Save it. Come here and refresh. See there now, where I have pasted in the JavaScript, where I have written in the JavaScript,
In body tag.
in the
In
head tag.
header
See
tag
here,
only. Head
head
tag
tag
only,
only.
sir.
In head
See
tag,
there,
we
in the,
have given the function.
yeah, JavaScript actually it is in the head tag only.
Head tag only.
Okay,
Head tag only.
yeah, right. But how it is coming after loading of all the HTML elements? Right? Since we have only one HTML element, only one HTML element is coming. But you are able to see this yellow pop-up box, right? Respond everyone.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So how this is possible? Because now you are
Because
calling
of
this
calling
function
function.
on this onload event. This is called event attributes. What is this? This is called event attributes. So this event attributes is used to call the JavaScript method into HTML elements. Okay, these event attributes are used to call the JavaScript elements, sorry, JavaScript function into the HTML elements. Clear, everybody? Please respond.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Hello. So right now, what is the thing we need to understand about this? Onload. What is the event name? Onload.
Onload.
So this event will call the method after loading of all HTML elements. That immediately after loading of all HTML elements. Clear it, everybody? If you have only one, okay, right. After loading of HTML
Okay, sir.
element. If we call onload event in the body tag, then it will call the method immediately after loading of all HTML elements. Okay, generally onload event will write in the body tag. Of course, some rare cases we need to write in any particular HTML element only. So in that case, this abbreviation is suitable. Suppose if you write in the body tag, in that case, this description is suitable. So that's why I have written both. Clear it, everybody? So here only theory is available. Okay, here only practical also available. That is advantage. Okay, and I will
Sir.
upload this files also. 1 second, let me give conclusion. So that I will upload this file also, and these files can be downloadable. See, files can be downloadable. Okay, right, and so that you can get the theory and practical in the same way. Yeah, now you can ask your doubt.
Sir, can we take two functions in onload?
In onload, so that is not
Yeah.
suitable. It is not right direct. That is not correct way.
Okay, but
Hello?
but if we need two functions means then how we can, sir?
No, that is not acceptable. Okay,
Okay, sir.
in an event we should write only one function. Okay, so but we can write multiple events in a single element attributes. Okay, right. Later we will understand. Right. Right. So this is about this. My name is Ramesh. Okay. Sorry. This is about onload event. What is the event name? Onload. Okay. Right. So now I'm renaming it to the onload. Example .html. Right. Onload event. Okay. Right. Now coming to this. So yeah, I have given here the path right. That's one everyone. External JavaScript. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now what is the thing I want to do is I want to give the clear knowledge about this thing. What is that? I want how to give the path. How to give the path. Okay, right. So that purpose, what is the thing I want to do is I will tell little bit more examples. Right. So that purpose, what is the thing I'm doing is here. Wait 1 second. I am closing the sample at JS here, and I'm cutting it here. I am creating new folders, 2 new folders. Right. Now see here, everybody, we are calling this sample.js in this file, right? Now execute in the browser one more time. Now respond, everybody. Do we are getting any alert box here?
No,
We
sir.
are
No,
getting
sir.
any alert box here. Why? Why we are
But
not
the
getting?
path is different.
Yeah. Now how to write the path here? Tell me. How to write the path here? Everybody respond.
Like we need to
How
take a dummy one, dummy two.
Okay. Others. Others respond.
Dummy 1 and
How to write?
dummy 2 and file name.
Right. So what is the tip I have given? What is the thing I have told you? Whenever you are writing the path in your root directory, where is that? Okay, excluding root directory also. That means in your root directory where it is. That particular path only we need to write, because up to here it is already available in the browser also. Okay, right. So in your root directory where it is it directly available in the root directory? Respond everyone. Now
No, sir.
sample.js directly available in the root directory? No. Where it is?
In
Dummy
dummy
one
one.
folder. No,
Is in
it is not
dummy
available
one.
here. No,
Is
it
in
is
the
not in the dummy one also directly. So
dummy,
again we have
Dummy
a folder
2.
dummy. See there,
dummy
now
two.
it is available directly here. Okay. So first what is the folder name? Dummy one.
Dummy 1.
And what is the folder name? Dummy 2.
2.
Save it. Refresh. Do you are getting anything? No. Why? This is not the way to separate the
To write the
folders.
path. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
one second. Right. This is not the way to separate the folders, and this is not the way to separate the file name also. How to separate? By using slashes, not with spaces. Okay. Right. Now come here. Slash. Come here. Slash. Save it. Refresh. See now coming or not? Respond everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now you understand, right, how to work with the paths, how to give the path clearly. Respond everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. And now whenever we are giving the path also, there is absolute path is there and there is relative path also there. Some people have there, that is also confusion. Okay. I want to give some clear clarification on that also. So that purpose, what the thing I want to do is, I am taking it as one.html. What is this? One.html. Okay. Right. And I am taking here two.html. Okay. Right. Now I am not calling this script tag here. Now I am not calling the script tag here. Right. So here I am writing as, this is first page, and from here I want to go to second page. So that's why I am writing here, go to second page. This is second page, and from here I want to go to the first page. From here, you are understanding the logic, right? Respond everybody. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now where these two files are available, one.html and two.html, directly in the root directory. Okay. Right.
Directly in the root tag.
Yeah. Now close this files. Now I first execute this one.html in the browser. See this is first page or not? Respond please. This is first page or not?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now I want to go to second page from here. How? There is a text. So now yeah, I'm clicking here. Am I going to the second page?
No, sir.
Am I going to the second page? Respond everybody.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Why? Why?
There is no
Because if you
header.
want, right, if you want to navigate from one page to another page, we need to use anchor tag. What is that? Anchor tag. Anchor tag means less than slash a, less than a, greater than, less than slash a, greater than. Come here and refresh. Now again you click here. Am I navigating? Am I navigating?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Why? So anchor tag itself can't do anything. It cannot understand what is address is. We need to tell it manually. So that purpose we need to write here the hyperlink reference, href. Okay, right. In the href, what is the thing we need to write? Reference file address. So whenever you are writing the reference file, whenever you are writing the address of the file, what is the thing we need to do? What is the thing we need to do? Whenever you are writing the address of the file. Whenever you are writing the address of the file, what is the thing we need to do?
Path. Path.
Yeah, we need to write the
Path
path.
of the file.
Yeah, how to write the path? That's what I'm asking. In your root directory, where it is? What is that? In your root directory, yeah,
Where
in
it
your
Where
root
it
directory
is.
will be directly available.
Yes, sir.
Directly
Just we need to
available.
write the
So
file.
1.html, yeah, right. 1.html and 2.html both are in the same directory. Both are in the same directory. So when both are in the same directory, directly write the file name. What is our file name? 2.html. Okay. Right now come here and refresh. Coming or not? Go to second page. Respond everyone.
Yes, sir.
So right now
Yes, sir.
click there. Now respond everybody. Am I going to 2.html or not? See here.
Yes, sir.
The second page coming or
No.
not? Okay.
Second page is
Hello.
coming, sir.
Yeah, we are going to 2.html. Okay. We are navigating to second.html only. 2.html. Okay, Srija. Hello. Another also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now after here, go to first page. I am clicking here. Am I navigating to the first page? Am I navigating to first page?
No,
No.
sir.
No.
Why? Here also we need to provide the anchor link. So
Anchor tag.
let's write the slash a greater than that. What is the attribute we need to use? href. And since both are in the same directory, what is the thing we need to do? We need to write only the file name.
Like file
One
name.
dot one dot html. Save it. Refresh. See there? Go to first page. Okay. Now I am clicking here. Now respond everybody. I am going to the first dot html or not? One dot html or not?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay. Right. So this is what type of path giving? Directly path giving. This is called absolute path. Okay. This is called absolute path. That means directly path. Okay. Absolute path. Okay. Right. Now what do you think I am doing is I am cutting this 2.html here. Sorry, I'm closing it there and I'm cutting this 2.html here. I am going to the dummy one and I am going to the dummy two and here I am pasting. Hi, I am new here. I want to enroll. Yeah, 1 second wait, Atanda. 1 second wait, Atanda. Rokip. Later we'll discuss. Okay, after 5 minutes we'll discuss. Right. Wait 1 second. Right now come here and refresh. Now I'm clicking here. Go to the second page. Respond. Yeah, I navigating to the second page properly. Yeah, am I navigating to the second dot 2.html properly?
No, sir.
So we are navigating to 2.html, but it is not found in the root directory. So why it is coming this? Why it is coming like this? Because mistake in the
written
path
only
giving.
path.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
mistake in the path giving. So how to write the path? How to write the
We
path?
need to give the file folder name.
Yeah, what is the folder name? What is the folder name?
Show.
Dummy 1 and dummy 2. Okay, right. Now right there, dummy 1 and dummy 2. But how to separate the folders? Respond everyone. How to separate the folders?
Flash.
Slash. Okay, dummy 1 and dummy 2. Okay, right. This is what type of path giving? Absolute path. What is this? Absolute path. Okay,
Absolute.
right. Now go back, refresh and go to second page. Respond everybody. We are going to the second.html or not?
Yes, sir.
We are,
Yes, sir.
okay, we are now going to second.html or not? Yes, we are going to second.html properly. But observe here, go to first dot page. I am clicking here. See there? Is it coming? Is it navigating to one.html properly?
No, sir.
No.
No, why? So what is the thing I told? If the both folders, if the both files are in the same directory, then only we should write here the exactly file name. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But where is 2.html? Where is 2.html? Dummy 1 and dummy 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But where is 1.html? Is 1.html is present in the dummy 1 and dummy 2 folders or is directly root directory? Where it is available?
Directly into directory.
Directly in the root directory. So we need to go back towards root directory. right?
Yes, sir.
Whenever you are providing the path, we need to go back towards root directory. So from this 2.html to root directory, how many folders difference is there? How many folders
Two
there
folders.
difference? Two
Two
folders.
folders.
So
Two
yes,
folders.
if you want to go one folder outside, we need to write here double dot slash. For example, see it, save it,
One.
go back and refresh. Now click on the go to first page. Observe here, we are navigating to how many folders outside? How many
Dummy
folders
one. One
outside we
only
are
one.
going?
One
Only one. We
folder.
are
Only
coming
dummy one.
out of dummy 2 only. Okay. We are coming out only from only dummy 2, but not dummy 1. So again we need to come one folder outside. That means two folders outside. Then what is the thing I need to write here? 4 dots? No, dot double dot slash and again double dot slash.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is called relative path. This is called relative path. Okay. Right. Now come here, go back and refresh. Now click. See there 1.html is coming, right? See here. It is going back towards root directory only. Clear or not? Respond everybody. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. Right. This is called this is what? Absolute path and relative path. Okay. Right. So this is how we can do it. Clear, right, everyone? Kindly respond. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Right. So that's it, everybody. Yeah. That's it, everybody. This is the class for today. Tomorrow we'll meet and we'll continue our classes. Okay. Right. And who want to enroll, they can contact this number. They can contact on this number. Wait 1 second. Yeah, sir. Don't. Yes, sir. That's what I'm telling. Right. So right there, 8885252627. That is the number. Sorry. Wait 1 second. You got the number? I think no. Right. Yeah. Now see that number. Okay, everybody.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Yes, sir. I'm already enrolled on this batch, and I need your recorded videos also there. So how can we
Yeah. I will
download
provide
it?
to Google Drive. One second. No, no. They cannot be downloadable. Only class
Okay.
files only downloadable. Our videos are not downloadable, but they are watchable. Okay. I will provide
Yeah,
through
sure.
Google Drive. Okay. Yeah. So tomorrow you will get it.
Okay.
Okay. After tomorrow
Yeah,
class you
sure.
will get it. Okay. Right.
Okay, sir.
So whoever paid, everybody will get. Okay. Right. And
Okay, sir.
yeah. Right. So yeah, they have sent that number, right? So you can make a contact them. Yeah, they have WhatsApp number also. Yeah, Atanda. You can contact through WhatsApp also. Okay. Right. Okay. Right. Yeah. That's it, everybody. Up to tomorrow. Same link. Tomorrow also same class link. From Monday it will change. Okay. Right. So that's it, everyone. This is the class for
Okay,
today.
sir.
Tomorrow we'll meet and we'll continue. Okay. Yeah. Bye, everyone. Thank you.